Hello, and welcome back to our lessons on Microsoft Excel. In this lesson, we want to discuss creating or inputting formulas. A formula performs calculations or other actions on data in your worksheet. Formulas always start with an equal sign. So in this instance, what we want to do is select where we want our formulas to go. So we want to put it in here in our totals under B6. Now to start a formula, the first thing you need to do is you use the equal sign. Then when you equal sign, you select it. You can do it one of two ways. We want to do it the manual way, but you can actually type in B2, then you hit your plus sign, B3 plus B4. Then you hit your enter sign. Then your enter sign, as you see here, it gives you your total. I want to come out of this one and show you a separate way. Let's go and delete this one. Now, you can go the same concept, equal sign. It's always got to start with an equal sign. And you can actually click the cell that you want in your formula to tabulate. So you click the B2, then you hit the plus sign, then you hit B3, plus sign, B4, and then you hit enter. If by chance, let's say you hit the plus sign by mistake, you hit enter. You get this little dialog, this pop-up box that tell you, give you basically your correct formula. You can see B2 equals B3 plus B4. You say yes. It's going to give you auto correction. Then that gives you your total for the cells under your B row, your B column. Then let's click out this. I'm going to do one more way of doing it. Then also notice that in your address bar, you see here your formula bar, you see where you have your formula. This cell, your total cell in B6, actually is a formula in that cell, not the number 950. Keep in mind, I'll explain a little more in detail the importance of the formula in that cell. And so then another way, let's go in here. I want to delete that one. And then I want to show you equal signs again. We're sticking with formula. You select the cell, you put in here sum, because we want a total of sum. Once you start typing, you'll see you get different letters, different functions in which you can do your sum. You do sum, then you do a parentheses, then you click on to the cell that you want in your total. You take that one, and then you get your crosshairs, and you drag that down to the cells that you want in the range of cells that you want in your totals. And notice I got B2 colon B4. If you hit your enter key, that will give you the total. Now keep in mind the range, because we're going to be doing more and we find the significance of being able to select ranges in formulas. Over in this column over here, I want to change this one to profits instead of total. In your profits, over here, what we want to do is not profits, we want to show the difference. So you do our equal sign, and then we select the cell that we want, which is B2. Then we put a minus because we want to know what our profit is. And then you click your next cell. And then that'll give you the total. Hit enter. Now that gives you the total for that cell. And one of the good features about Microsoft Excel is if I take this profit cell, the cell D2, and I go over to, I get the crosshairs on my handle, I can drag this one. And what that does is that gives me the same formula that copies the formulas to each cell by row. So if I click here on one, you see I have over here C2 minus B2, B2 minus C2. Click here, I have B3 minus C3. And here we have B4 minus C4. You can also do the same as we go down to our totals. And our totals, hit my crosshairs, drag it over to the next column of C, and then it gives me my total for the column of C. And as you see here, we have sum of the range of B2 through B4. And over here, we had the range of C2, C4 in this one, and B2, B4 over here. Then if I want to total all of those, I do the same concept and drag over here. And now I get the total. This will give me the total going down. This will give me my profits. This is basically what I have right now for adding formulas. As always, we ask that you stay tuned. We go more in depth in formulas in our next module. Until then, God bless you.